As I have said before, my wife has a rule in our house to never throw away leftovers. And if I want to eat a decent meal around here, I had better follow that rule. So today, she is putting together a lasagna made from leftovers from the refrigerator. She is using leftover, oven-ready lasagna noodles. These do not require boiling them at all. You just layer them in your baking dish, straight from the box. There are just enough noodles to fill in this 5 by 9 inch, or 1½ quart baking dish. Watch as she layers between the pasta noodles, leftover tomato sauce from a jar, fresh, sliced mushrooms, sautéed onions, whole milk mozzarella slices and shredded mozzarella, and ricotta cheese. She also sprinkles grated Parmesan cheese over the ingredients of each layer. Then, she covers the baking dish tightly with aluminum foil and places it in a preheated 375-degree oven for 45 minutes. About 20 minutes into the baking time, she removes the foil and lets the lasagna bake until done. You can see the lasagna hot and bubbling. This is a surefire way to see that the ingredients are done through and the cheese is melted. What a great lasagna made from leftovers! I can't wait to dig in. Thanks for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe to her channel. It so pays off to follow her no trash leftovers rule. Also, makes not having to take the trash out so easy. See you next time.